Hi, I'm Drew with Hung Right Hunter. That's David behind the camera. And today we're going to show you the difference between our new Hung Right design. We're going to get you to rethink your position in a tree. The two great advantages are from the traditional tree stand is going to be comfort and your range of shooting. And as you know, about being a right-handed shooter, my shooting range is from directly in front of me to my left in about a 90-degree area of coverage, unless I make a motion to stand up and to turn. And as we all know, that's going to give the animal the advantage anytime you make a movement, anytime you make a sound. So now we're going to show you from the same position of this particular tree stand to the Hung Right Hunter. Okay, now we reposition and put the Hung Right Hunter into the same exact location. And now the big differences are, as you can see, is my comfort. I have full lumbar support for all day sitting. I mean, this is quite comfortable. It's just like being in your living room watching TV, but the scenery's a whole lot better. And the second advantage is my motion of shooting. Now I can shoot from all the way behind me without having to stand up. I can move when the animal allows me to move, and I can shoot almost a 360-degree area. Thank you for watching this short video. Visit us at www.hungrightHunter.com for more information and purchasing. Have a great season.